say it takes a village to raise a child? Well, it takes a village to raise a content creator too here on the platform of YouTube. If you're not interested in listening to my personal story of how I got to 1,000 subscribers, as I talk about my village, in the description below, I've got the chapters, you can skip forward. But I encourage you to want to stay here and listen to me just ramble on about my village. Let's see, where did it all start? Back in August, I decided that I was going to become a content creator on YouTube. So I posted my first few videos, and if it wasn't for those very first subscribers and commenters, the YouTube algorithm would have never thought that I was legit. But the YouTube algorithm thinks that, you know, if people are engaging in the content and that person continues to add videos to their channel, that they're legit, and then they go, okay, maybe I'll start recommending these videos to others. And my video got recommended to my good friend Lance Travis at Pouring Together with Lance Travis. Lance reached out, so him and I did a video call. It lasted an hour and a half. I was laughing so hard, I had tears running down my leg. It's the reality of getting older. Lance already had a bunch of friends and content creators here on the platform. He introduced me to Cindy Porter at Cynthia Porter Studios, who is getting everybody together to do the Mardi Gras parade. So let's just talk about everybody's superpowers. Lance's superpower is he just reaches out. He's like all about just getting to know people. He's a really nice guy. And then Cindy, her superpower is getting a bunch of artists together on the platform to do a collaboration. We did the Mardi Gras parade. Mina Villegas happened to be inspired by something I did. And she then gave me a shout out on the channel, which then took my subscriptions. Well, we're over 1,000 anyway. I don't really know how to thank everybody. Hold on, my dog's crying. I don't know why. I don't know what his deal is. It's exhausting. That those other creators have been relentless in supporting me. It's amazing how they've poured into me. How's that a nice play on words? And one of them, of course, being It's Art by Donna M. Donna, I honestly don't know why you're Donna M. But Donna has been a relentless supporter of mine, both throughout the Mardi Gras parade and another collaboration that's coming up, which I'll let Donna tell you about at some point when she's ready on her channel. Yeah, that's my village, and that's how I got here so far. So I'm excited to see where I can take this. So what's today's pour gonna be? I wanted to do a potpourri of color. It's gonna be a bit of a chaos style, a little bit different than my typical chaos. Seriously, this dog. I'm gonna bring up my Catalyst Wedge. On the Catalyst Wedge, the teeth are kind of far apart. I actually have cake decorating tools. I don't decorate cakes. I don't make cakes. In fact, my kitchen is my art studio. Has a little smaller teeth, so I cut it in half and I might drag this thing through there too. In the spirit of International Art and Found Day, I'm actually gonna give this painting away. I'm gonna wrap it up, leave it on a park bench somewhere in my neighborhood for some unsuspecting person to find and hopefully not throw it away and hang it in their house or give it to somebody else who might love it. However, not to forget and give gratitude to my 1,000 subscribers, I am going to do a future pour, which I will then give away and ship anywhere in the world. I'll let you know in a future video which painting that is when I paint it. So be sure to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you know when I do that one. And then I'll tell you how you can win it. As always, my name is Tiffany Remijn. This is my dog, Henry. And welcome to my channel. I'm gonna put my dog down. You can't paint holding the dog. Henry seems to be confused by that, but yeah. So I'm gonna put him down now. I'll meet you down on the canvas. I don't know what I was thinking. I need to cut in here. I was originally going to do this as a chaos style Dutch pour, and I remembered that after the first two colors. So now I'm going to kind of pour these out in a chaosy style and then blow it out. And you're going to watch me struggle throughout this entire creation. Yeah, I'll cut back in and explain some more to you as we keep going here. I've got way too much paint on this, so I'm gonna blow out a little bit more, but then as I blow out, I'm kind of ruining the composition. I've got way too much center covered in paint, but you know what, we'll fix this later on as we keep going. Yeah, that was a waste of my air. I'm gonna use the blow dryer and go back over that section yet again and see if I can get something more of my liking before I drag the catalyst wedge through. I'm about to figure out that no amount of blowing on this section is going to improve this. So I'm about to swipe this a few times and then drag my little cake decorating tool through there. So yeah, you can watch me struggle. The struggle's real as I try to figure this out and salvage this painting. Yes, Henry, can you see that? Very good. So I'm actually, I don't know, I got stuff off my dog on my wedge. Yes, Henry, life is all about you. Actually, I'm gonna have to lint roller myself, get rid of the dog hair, or else the dog hair is gonna be all over the artwork. Yeah, it's not gonna be pleasant. Nobody wants dog hair in their artwork.